welcome to my kitchen. This is Janetta Johnson, and I'm here today to help you create a grilled cheese sandwich. There are so many different ways to do this. You can buy fancy bread, you can buy wheat bread, you can use just plain old white bread. You can use Swiss cheese, you can use cheddar cheese, you can use American cheese. You can use a combination of all of them if you wanted. I'm starting with a slice of white bread, and I will turn my pan. Let's show you my stuff. Okay, I have my pan on a medium heat. I'm using golden soft, but you can use any margarine or butter that you like. Butter the bread on one side. You put it down in the pan. You put slices of cheese on the bread, so make it fit across there. And you butter the other slice of bread and put it on top, just like that. Now, if I were using American cheese, if we were using American cheese, it would melt faster. Cheddar takes a little bit longer. Of course, I chose the cheese that takes the longest to melt. I might have to actually turn it up a little bit, but you don't want it to burn, because that's the biggest challenge in making grilled cheese. It's keeping it from burning. So I turned it up a little bit. I turned it my stove just a hair. It's a 7. You can't really see it there, but that's what I did. I turned it up a hair. I'm not patient. I want to see the Oh yeah, it's getting a nice golden brown. Do you see that? It's down here. Can't even view the pan. Anyway. Oops, it doesn't want to work with me. It's getting a nice golden brown. Oh, look at that. It's getting golden brown. Go. Now you can see it. Nice and golden brown. That's what we want. That's what we want. Finished product. You just cut it in half and eat it.